calling into the night like an owl. That winged beast, I made my best impression to mimic its language, to draw it in, to talk with something in nature other than human. Oh, that owl! It called back from a distance, through the trees, through the silent blanket of dust, and it replied, an owl! Owl call! An owl! Owl call! Just me in the woods, up to no good, just owl call! Hall of Fame, just owl call! Hall of Fame! We were having some sort of conversation, and I repeated every variation of owl, and the owl seemed to get close to that barnyard lurking fowl. Oh, that owl! And out of the woods stood a deer. It hooted back at me. I couldn't believe it. What did I just see? What did I hear? But a deer in the woods wanting to talk something other than a deer!